check out our newest feature release. We now have Content AI enhancement right inside of the email builder. So what is the new Content AI enhancement? Well, this is going to introduce quick actions powered by Content AI, enabling users to efficiently enhance email content with AI-driven suggestions for clarity, grammar, length, and even language simplification. Why this matters and how it's going to help you. Well, with this new addition of AI support and help, you're going to save time and streamline your email creation process. You're going to be able to tailor your message for better clarity, fix grammar issues, and optimize for length. You'll also be able to utilize AI to simplify the language, which is proven to be better when it comes to emails. Let me show you exactly where this feature is. First, I want you to access Marketing in the left-hand navigation menu. Then, when that upper navigation opens, I want you to click on Emails. Now, there are different email options within the email area. So for this, we're going to go ahead into Email Templates. And you're going to click the plus new to create an email from scratch. Or if you'd like, you can even do it from a template. Now go ahead and choose the design editor that works best for you. Locate the AI logo in the upper right area of your email builder and go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to select the text and just highlight that section of text you want to enhance or you want to modify. Now to initiate the AI assistance, you're going to generate with AI, improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, simplify writing, make it longer, make it shorter. These are all options so that it's really tailored to what you need. Now you can refine that text by piling on multiple enhancements. So you can utilize several of these mixed together. Now preview those simplifications by preview, then regenerate, then you're going to go ahead and click replace text. And voila, it is done, it's simplified, and it's going to read beautifully. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.